What's going on, YouTube? Back at it again. This time we are replacing the badges, emblems on the C6 Corvette. So guys, I had already replaced them. Well, used like the little gel, little decals on them, and I didn't like how they looked. I didn't like how they looked at all. Water got through them, moisture, and they just started losing their color, fading away. So I was looking for some carbon ones and couldn't find any. Contacted various people and no one could actually help me out. So I finally found this one, and it looks pretty sick. They're actually custom. I'm gonna let you guys check it out. That's what it looks like right here. So right here, look at that. Ooh, wee! As you guys know, I'm from Texas, so we have to represent. Look at that. I got the Texas flag right there. Yeah, so those are actually going to be replacing these. All right. Y'all see what I mean? How the moisture got inside the little gel cap. Look how nasty it got. So they reimbursed me for them, and I just left them on there. But that does look pretty crappy. And the reason I did these on here was because the inside was already cracked. So I couldn't be riding around like that. And now with the new headlights, and everything I got done to it, I mean, that just makes it look really bad. So let's go ahead and replace them. What I did, tape everything off. So whenever you remove this part, it's just double-sided tape. Remove this part and you can actually just put the new one back on there so easy without having so many issues. So let's go ahead and take this off. I'm gonna be using a little plastic trim tool just to remove it, and I'm gonna clean it up afterwards and prep it for the new one. All right, so this is what I use, the little pry tool, trim tool. Just start going into it right here, bringing it up, prying it, and finally it'll come right off. So see, here goes your guide little pins right there. So the new one doesn't have that, so you're gonna have to do it this way to make sure it lines back up perfectly. So I'm about to clean this off with some Goo Gone, and I'll actually take as much as I can off, and then I have a little wheel that'll take all that glue off. I'll show you guys here after I clean it up and show you guys how it works pretty good. So this is what I use. The little wheels, like a little rubber wheel that removes glue and adhesive and stuff like that. So what you do, you just start going to town with it, and just make sure you're constantly moving it. Don't leave it in one spot. I mean, it's hard actually to do it with one hand, but just don't leave it in one spot or now you're gonna burn it out. So as you guys can see, it removed quite a bit of it, and I'm gonna keep on doing it up until everything comes off real good, and then start prepping it, cleaning it up with alcohol to install the new ones. All right, there it goes, nice and cleaned up, and let's get ready to install the new one. All right, and these new ones actually already come with double-sided tape pre-installed on here, so that's awesome. Makes it so much easier for the install. And I actually cleaned it off with alcohol. See, that's dope. All right, let me go ahead and install it. All right, so finally finished them up. That's what it looked like right there. Yeah, that's it. Rear right here. What y'all think? Y'all comment below. Let me know. That's it right there. Finally got the full setup already. Almost there to how I want it. All right. Catch you guys on the next one.